welcome back to my channel. So today after a gap of 6 months we are finally back to our trekking. So today we have come near Sakwar to do the TAKMAK Fort, and along with me are a group of 7 people.
Hi, Joyce here.
Derek Fergus.
Kevin Timmel. Ryan.
This is going to be our group. Now let's start our journey. So that is the fort, the TAKMAK Gad. We need to reach the So we have taken a first halt here after trekking for around an hour or so. We are somewhere in the way. We have stopped having just a bit of snack. We will wait here another for 5-10 minutes and then we will move on. So after going off-road for some time, now it seems like we are back on the right track. Now let's see where this route takes us. So this route seems like a straight route, easy one. It's a damn tough route. The strip has been very clean. All of us are panting. We're gonna take a break. Again we'll go. So stopped for another break here. We have met some fellow trekkers going on the same. And now I just think so we are a bit of close, we are on the right side. That must be the fort somewhere. So now we'll wait for you some time and then move on. So now after taking a break of around 10 minutes, now we are again back on track. So it's 9, currently it's 9 AM. Let's see how much time it takes. It should take around 1 hour. Now going towards the destination. So after trekking for around 20-25 minutes, now it looks like we are on some plateauation, as you can see. And the climb was so fucking difficult. Especially after the lockdown, with no such habit of trains. Our main exercise has been the train journeys. So I will. The cameraman says reach on this region. So we have done almost 60% of the trek, and now just have a look at the view from here. So that's the Virar river. see a thing like that, a rock, you feel like it's you're almost at the summit, but it's not. So finally we have summited the TAKMAK Fort. Now we are just gonna relax for some time, and then afterwards just explore the forts, the water tanks, and then clear resting. Just was the amazing 9 minutes. So after spending around 30 to 40 minutes, we'll be descending the fort. Won't be shooting much from here because it's gonna be the same route we had come up earlier. So I'll meet you. Yeah. So this is the next day. It was around 2.5 hours to reach the base village, but I was so tired, so I didn't care to vlog about it. A few things I would like to share. If you're going to the TAKMAK Gad, one, it's better you go take a local villager with you. Since we had a friend who had already done the fort, so we didn't take it, but still we had lost our way for around half an hour. Now if you want to go to the fort, you can, the best way is, if you have your private vehicle, go directly to the Sakwar village and get a local guide from there and go start your trek. If you're planning to go by a public transport, get down at the Virar station whenever the train starts. From Virar, you can catch any bus to Shirsad Fata. From Shirsad Fata, you'll get a plenty of sharing autos to the Sakwar village. This is about the trek. If you have watched it till now, do hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.